My king, hope you are good, man.
Yeah, I'm good.
I heard that you are there by the border of Namibia.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just want to ask few questions. Ne? My name is Action. I work against depression and anxiety. That's my awareness.
Okay.
So I will walk from Cape Town, South Africa, to Cairo, Egypt.
Egypt,
You know.
yeah.
So I want to know what should I expect maybe when I pass Namibia.
Listen, Nene, just for to make a small example, Nene, like for us, ne, we travel most of the time ne, in South Africa.
Hmm.
But when we're going home, ne, they say by Namibia side, ne, before we're gonna cross the border, ne, what you're gonna expect there, ne, is first is the river, but it's a dry river. And also
Oh.
there, from that side, ne, you're gonna find most of tribulations there of history there by us. When you're gonna pass to Rietfontein, to Askam Dam, Babon, on your
Hmm.
way to Namibia,
Hmm.
there is where the war was ended between the white and between the koi. Where our ancient forefather David Kuiper was the one was in the war and tried to stop the war. So from there is the line there where Askam. So from there on, as you go on your way to Namibia,
Hmm.
all the thing you're gonna expect there is only history about the poor and the needy people of Asuskoi. There was murder between these white people who come and try to colonize us. But included there, ne, when I was traveling, our ancient father was traveling from Cape to Cairo. When I was traveling there, some of things was upon his way, but he never saw like vehicles, like some things upon like buildings, because most of the time he was in the desert, he was in the creation. He always commented with animals. He could even have been tracking animals like us in this time. We learn how to track animals and we know how to find it. It doesn't matter if we see this kind of animal, whether he's sick or he's not sick, we know how his body feels and we know how to communicate with them.
Yeah.
Sometime, if you're gonna go to Cairo, like our forefather go from Cape to Cairo, there was
Sorry, can you
sometimes
attend the brother here? I think you want to post something.
okay, it's no problem.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
These are my brothers. I always
Just
see them.
checking.
I like this stuff because it make my body strong.
Yeah, make your
Okay.
body strong.
Strong, my brother.
Yeah.
I don't get sick because I'm drinking
Yeah,
this
because you
medicine.
did buy
No,
I'll
medicine
come
by
drink
us.
that. I'll come.
No problem.
Okay.
We are good. We are good.
Okay. Okay.
So you see, ne, from 2016, as we told you, ne, our first brother was coming here ne, by Johannesburg. Ne.
Yeah.
So the time we was winning here, ne, we started learning about this life, about city life. You understand? Ne? So when we was getting used to it, ne, most of the people ne, they try to understand us, ne, where we're coming from. They call us the Hottentot. As some of these people they call us just indigenous people here. They call us Koi Koi. But Koi San, it is the meaning of come. Come, it's the meaning of the sun people. It's where the desert is. So where we stay the desert. But included by the desert, we stay also with animals, we also stay with our families. So we are all together, we connect with the nature. So nature is our life, and life is nature. So anything what we do for Mother Nature. And everything we get blessings from Mother Nature. Like you see, we're selling medicine. We are the ancient bush doctors. We're using muti to help people with all kinds of diseases, you see. So it doesn't matter what kind of disease they have, we're gonna solve them problems. But as long as they have faith and trust and confidence in Mother Nature. So for the time, I was been in here in Johannesburg in the CBD, all over. Some customers of me, they took me there to Limpopo side, to Mpumalanga,
Yeah.
to KZN. They was traveling here with all these people. So I try to manage how to learn some of the languages. But it's hard for us to learn the languages. But still for us, through our forefathers who was here before us in these countries and through these countries, it's easy for us to can accept them and also to can learn from them. But most of the time, when they come for us to medicine, we try to help them, and it doesn't matter how long it's going to take for us to help them. We're going to help them, and we're going to solve the problem immediately. You understand?
Oh.
So, for just a small example for you, is me, I come from a small township.
Yeah.
It's called Appington. It's nearby Kalahari. It is just when you pass 30 kilometers east, you're going straight to Kalahari. And from there, you get Rietfontein, you get Askamp, and then you go across to the border by Nakop. After Nakop, you go straight into Namibia. You understand?
Oh, okay.
So for most of us, we didn't travel there through the borders. We always travel through the dry rivers over the desert. So there by the desert side where we travel is much safer for us because there's also some kind of motive we're gonna get there and some kind of motive for us to can drink, we can make our body strong so we can reach where we want to reach our destiny.
Oh, so there's a multi that can make the body strong.
Yeah, it's a motive can make your body strong.
Like when I walk these kilometers,
Hey,
I
we
can.
call it
Yeah.
Udia.
Udia.
No, but it's woodier.
Mm.
Most of the white people, they like to eat that one because when you eat that fruit, it's first it's gonna be butter. After butter, it's gonna make it's gonna taste sweet. So that one is for you to not get thirsty, so you can be a long road, Wabon, without getting thirsty.
Oh snap.
Mm.
Okay, I think I should get this one. You have it here.
No, I don't have it now here. It's only there, grows only there by us in Kalahari Desert. Only
Okay.
grows there in the desert.
And then do you have a muti that I can use to protect myself from wild animals?
Yeah.
Wild animals.
I can give you some muti, Wabon, but muti includes to amafutas, to fits. If you're gonna go into the desert there where it's wild animals, you must use different kind of amafutas of wild animals. You understand? That's why you must always carry a package upon you of wild animals of fits. You understand?
Yeah.
And there's also some muti in there. You can bath and you can steam with Wabon. So every time you bath and steam, you talk everything what you want, Wabon. So when you go inside the desert, you see everything is gonna be exactly as you want it to be. You
Yeah.
understand?
Okay. Thank you so much, man. So now you meet now you know what's bafethu ama-herbs these are the herbs abafethu now you meet abafethu. So your name and surname and your contacts when people want to get
No,
some herbs.
me, I'm Koi, but me, I'm Secular Ruben First. I'm Secular Ruben First on Facebook, and my contact number on WhatsApp it is 060 559 6025.
Okay.
You can WhatsApp me anytime. I'm anytime available. Any kind of discussion, every kind of dream, every kind of thing, house cleaning, everything. I will help them. I'm able to help them.
No, I think I should, man. Melangi Solele now. I should get myself some herbs, you know.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to come across lots of wild animals.
Yeah,
you know.
animals. Yeah, also a lot of enemies of you.
Says. Thank you so much, man. That was great. Let's say Sabunga Kund Buffet. A few days left before Egypt. Thank you.